Hey, how is going? In this video, I will set up full GA4 Ecommerce Tracking just by using Shopify Customer Pixel. So we will not use the Google Tag Manager to set up the GA4. We will set up GA4 by using only Shopify Customer Pixel. So let's get started. Okay, we need three things to set up the GA4 Ecommerce Tracking. At first, we need a Shopify store. Then we need a data layer. Data layer means the Shopify script. I mean Shopify Customer Pixel script to send all the data to the GA4. Then we need a GA4 property. So this is my Shopify store, and this is the data layer, and this is the GA4 property. So let me start. In this store, we have to go to setting. Under the setting, we will find customer pixel or something, customer event. Then we have to add this script on the customer pixel. So let me copy the script. We have to copy fully first to last. So let me copy, then add customer pixel. We can use any name, but I wanna use GA4 Ecommerce Tracking. Okay, then add pixel. Now we have to just paste the full code here, and after pasting the code, we have to change something. For example, we have to change the ID, the GA4 measurement ID here and here. So we have to change to place. So let me go to the GA4 and then admin, then data stream. Here we have to copy the measurement ID. This is the measurement ID. Let me copy and let me change. So in here just paste it. Yes, it is working. Then we have to also change it on here. Now we have to change something. If you need the consent mode, so we have to change here, not required. Then if you don't need the consent mode, if you need the consent mode, you have to keep this setting, or if you don't need the consent, you just need not required. I don't need the consent because I'm not from Europe or UK. So let me save it with not required and let me connect. Connect. Now it should work. We can test it by clicking in here test button. Okay, I see the page viewed is sending to the GA4. We can send the GA4 event. Now we can test the GA4 on the dashboard. So report, then real-time report, and I see it is getting the data. This is myself and page view 2. I can also check it on the debug mode. Click on the debug view. Now we have to use the extension. This is the analytic debugger. So let me turn on it. Now let me browse and see the data. Okay, I think it is getting the data, but let me try again. Let me refresh. Okay, it will take some time maybe. Oh, it is getting the data. Okay, so page view, I got 2 page view, then scroll. Then let me try to fire an event, for example view item. Product view. Now I should get the page view, then the view item. Let me check page view. I got another page view, and I should get the view item because product view is firing, but I don't get it. Oh yeah, I got it. Now view item, then I get the item array in here, item ID, quantity. I should also get the value here. Value, page title, then currency, USD. It is good. Page location, everything here. Great. Now let me try to find the view item. Oh sorry, I already sent the view item. Now I have to send the add to cart. Add to cart. I see view add to cart is firing. Then view cart. Then I can also send the checkout data, then purchase data. So checkout started. I see here. Now let me fill up my info to make a purchase. I already fill up the information. Now I have to pay now button. I have to click here, then I have to place order. Okay, checkout completed. I see it means the purchase completed. Now I should get all the events here. I see begin checkout is working. I see add to cart is coming. Then now I should see the purchase one. Admin info is coming, purchase is coming, everything is working perfectly as expected. Okay, I see the order value, I see the transaction ID. Okay, currency, items, I see everything here. Perfect. So I hope it is working 100% accurately. Alright, I hope you got all my point. But if you have any question, you can comment me, or if you want to get the code, you can send a message on WhatsApp. I will send you the code, or if you need my service, you can also schedule a call with me. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching the video.